How to create TikTok business account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create TikTok business account. So first thing, let me head over to my TikTok application. So make sure you have successfully logged into your account, and once you're inside here, just tap on your profile icon over here and just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner, and then just click on settings. So once you're inside here, just tap on this account section. Under the account section, you will be seeing this option called switch to business account. So just tap on it. And from here now you will get a lot of information card about loading into your business account. So just click on next and choose your category just like this, and just click on next. And you may as well add your email. I'll just skip it for now, and I'll just skip it for now. You can also add your bio and just click on visit business site. And from over here you can just check out your analytics, growth center, and message center, and everything else. So when I click on come back to my settings and click on account once again, you can see it's showing me switch to personal account. So that is exactly how you can easily, you can see it's showing me to convert to personal account. So that means my account has been successfully changed to business account. So that is exactly how you can easily change your account to business account. And you can see there is option, a lot of option related to business. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.